Okay guys, habang nagwe-wait tayo sa group 2, raise down ng
Ma'am,
hands
wait lang
yung
po.
Wait lang po.
Ma'am,
okay.
nag-i-error kasi daw yung PowerPoint presentation
PowerPoint
ni
presentation ni
Klein
Nino.
Peña.
Peña.
Okay, paki-send sa akin. Ako na lang mag-present.
Sige po, wait lang.
Wait lang.
Sige. Guys, sino dito yung mga newcomers? Can you raise your hand? Joris, Rosel, sino pa?
Bisana, ma'am.
Besana, kinsa pa? Ayun lang, tatlo lang. Okay, for newcomers, magawa kayo ng Discord account. And then, after you created the Discord account, please join the server. Our server. Ito yung invitation link. I will post it here. Yan. Dyan sa chat box. And then, going to share my screen. Wait lang. So, after you created the account for Discord, if you're using a phone, you need to download it. Pero kung naka-laptop or computer kayo, you can just log in sa browser. And then, click this link and you will automatically joining the server. This is how it looks like. And then sa general, you need to um like chat your block. For example, si Montana, no? Sabi niya, block 2. So, I'm going to set his role or her role sa block 2, itong color violet. So, dapat kung ano kayo, kunwari block 2 kayo, i-chat nyo dyan para ma-set ko yung role nyo. And then, kung hindi kasi kayo magsiset, wala kayong role. Or, kung wala kayong role, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo ma-access tong mga channels nyo. For example, on block 2, I have created a pin messages here. And then, you can see guys na nandito yung class details natin and important links. Nandito yung Google Classroom. And then, Google Meeting links, class schedule, and then your in section. Tapos yung mga FAQs or mga frequently asked questions, I have also posted it here. If you're having like an excuse letter, you don't need to create one. Just fill up this form and I will excuse you to our classes. And then for those newcomers, this is very important to you guys. You need to register on Academy, register in Academy. So how to register in Academy? Habang nagwi-wait tayo sa group 2, kindly follow this link. And then this is how it looks like, no? So step 1 daw, register as a new student. This link, click nyo yan. And then on the register button, yung pangalawa dito, ilagay nyo yung email nyo, yung JMC username, and then password, then register. And then after you register, choose the subject you belong or subject and section. Syempre yung block 2. Ito, click nyo yan. Nandiyan na yung step by step. And once you already follow this step, you will have access to your profile. Okay, so kung meron na kayong access, ito yung itsura niya, block 2. So dito sa academy natin, we can see all of the lessons, short quiz, except sa assignment. Kasi yung assignment, guys, will be posted sa Google Classroom. Okay? At kung wala kayong assignment, you can just, do sa mga latecomers, you can still submit your assignment in here dito. Tapos, syempre, yung score nyo will be like, siya, less than 10% na siya. And then, for the short quiz, pwede pa rin kayong makahabol. So, update lang. We are still on lesson 2 pa lang. So, isa pa lang yung hahabulin nyo na, hindi pala, dalawa pala, itong introduction. I-take nyo tong short quiz na to, i-take nyo din tong short quiz na to kasi may na-miss na kayong dalawa. And then for this lesson, ngayong klase na to, i-discuss natin yung computer generation that will be discussed by group 2. Okay, so mga newcomers, you just need to follow the how to register, and then just go with answer the short quiz, and for assignment, just submit it. Isa pa lang naman yung assignment natin. Okay? So, yeah, I think that's all for my introduction for newcomers. Group 2, have you already sent to me the file or the PowerPoint?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Saan?
Sa James email niyo po, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Sige. Okay, group 2, you can start na. I'll be presenting your PowerPoint. Hello, group 2. Are you still there? You can start na.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. This is the presentation of group 2.
Turn on na, pre.
Ma'am, clear akong akong tingin.
Clear.
Okay pa, ma'am. Okay, first generation. First generation, the vacuum tube ages. When we say vacuum tube, it's a computer that use vacuum tubes for circuitry, meaning complete path or combination of interconnected paths for electron flow in computer. Okay. In 1939, Dr. John V. Atanasoff and his assistant Clifford Berry built the first electronic digital computer. And this is the Atanasoff-Berry computer. The pictures niya is kita lang ako next slide. Atanasoff-Berry computer was the first automatic electric digital computer. It is a unique contribution was to make computing fast by being the first to use vacuum tubes to do the arithmetic calculation. Number 2. In 1942, Alan Turing designed the Colossus, the English counterpart to the Nazi code machine, called the Enigma. Enigma is the machine cipher device developed and used in early to mid 20th century to protect commercial, diplomatic, and military communication. It was employed extensively by Nazi Germany during World War II and all branches of the German military. This is the picture of Atanasoff-Berry computer, and it is used for the small prototype in 1939 for the purpose of testing two ideas central to his design: capacitor to store data in binary form and electronic addition and subtraction. Enigma work. The Enigma produced encoded messages, electrical signals from our typewriter like keyboard as blackboard that crumbled the output, but did so in a way that decipherable with the right settings. Number three, in 1951, the first commercial electronic computer, the Univac 1, which John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert developed. Univac 1 was the first general purpose electronic computer designed for business for Eckert and John Mauchly, the inventor of ENIAC. Design work was started by the company Eckert Mauchly Computer Corporation, or EMCC, was completed after the company had been acquired by Remington Rand. In the years before, successor models of the Univac 1 appeared. The machine was simply known as the Univac. Number 4 is in 1953. IBM is the most popular medium-sized computer system. IBM is magnetic drum data processing machine is an early digital computer produced by IBM in the mid 1950s. It was the first mass-produced computer in the world. Almost 2,000 systems were produced, the last in 1962. It was the first computer to make the meaningful profit. And guys, man siya ang Univac 1 na IBM. What was the Univac 1 used for? Univac 1 was designed as a commercial data processing computer intended to replace the punch card accounting machine of the day. And it could read 7,200 decimal digits per second, making it by far the fastest business machine yet built. Second is the IBM 650. The use of IBM 650 was marketed to business, scientific, and engineering users as a general-purpose version of the IBM 701 and IBM 702 computers, which were for scientific and business purposes respectively. Number 5, in 1954, introduction of the first high-level programming language, Fortran. Fortran in full is Formula Translation. Formula Translation. Fortran is a general-purpose compiled imperative programming language that is especially suited to numeric computation and scientific computing. Fortran was originally developed by IBM in the 1950s for scientific and engineering applications and subsequently came to dominate scientific computing. Second generation proceed.
Morning, ma'am. Second generation, 1958 to 1963. The transistor age. Small device that transfer electronic signals across a resistor because transistors are much smaller, use less power and create less heat than vacuum tube. The new computers were faster, smaller, and more reliable than the first generation machine. Number 1, 1958. TRADIC, Transistorized Airborne Digital Computer. Mm, Built at Bell Laboratories, the first general the first general-purpose computer to be completely transistorized, held 800 transistors, predecessors functioning well aboard airplanes. For this, number one, 1958, transistors transformed the world of electronics and had a huge impact. Computer design transistors made of semiconductors replaced tubes in the construction of computers by replacing bulky and unreliable vacuum tubes. With transistors, computers could now perform the same function using less power and space. So this is the tradi transistorized airborne digital computer. Number two, 1959. Introduction of the removable disk pack, providing users with fast access to store data. Number one, removable hard disk used in mini computers and mainframes that contain two or more platters housed and dust-free containers. Number two, ERMA. Electronic recording machine accounting was a computer technology that automated bank booking and check processing developed at the non-profit research institution. For this number two, ERMA electronic recording machines accounting is the first technology that can read digitize information.
Tayo na ako sa CGF. Ha?
Sorry ma'am. So this is the removable disk and ERMA. So number three, COBOL
Ano ka naman, trabaho na answer.
was the first business application programming language developed by a committee headed by Dr. Grace Hopper. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. It is imperative, procedural, and object-oriented. Compiler is a computer program that takes other computer programs written in a high-level language and converts them into another program machine code which the computer can understand. Number four, 1963. Introduction of the first computer industry in standard character set ASCII. For this number four, ASCII introduction of the first computer industry in standard character set American Standard Code for Information Interchange in reliable computers to exchange information. So this is the ACII, ma'am. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Third generation, proceed.
Hello. Ma'am, klaro man tingog.
Oo, klaro man.
Good afternoon. My part of this report is in third generation, which is the third generation is the integrated circuit age in 1964 to 1969. So before I explain my um, topic, basahin ko muna bago ko i-explain sa inyo. So, it is a complete electronic circuit on a small chip made of silicon. These computers were more reliable and compact than computers made with transistors, and they cost less to manufacture. So, in this case, guys, um, it means this type of computers is mas ano siya, ligon, mas durable siya, and mas maasahan nimo. And pagdating naman sa ano nito guys, mas dili siya expensive. Durable siya, tapos dili po siya na kamahal. Then in 1964, introduction of computers built with an integrated circuit which incorporates multiple transistors and electronic circuits on a single silicon chip. So dito naman ah pinakilala nila ang mga computer na binuo gamit ang integrated circuit na may pagsasama ng marami ang transistors at electronic circuit sa isang silicon chip. So dito guys, di ano nila mas nagkadugay ba nagka high tech sila kay kibali ilahan ng tawag ani ilahan ng gisagol ang sa ilang technology mas high tech na sila dre. So in the second part, IBM introduced its system 360 line in of compatible computers which can all use the same programs and peripherals. So ibig sabihin um
Halika, dito tayo.
sasabihin nila.
Mama mo pa? Ito ba yun?
So let's proceed into 1965. Number 1, Digital Equipment Corporation or DEC introduced the first mini computer. So dre ang digital equipment sila yung naglabas o nagpakilala ng silang kauna-unahang naglabas ng mini computer, and based to my research this computer ang tinatawag na wala daw. PDP-8. So, moto siya. And second is introduction of the basic programming language. Then dire pod show nila, dire nila gipa gawas ang mga basic programming language. Then in the last part in 1969, introduction of ARPANET and beginning of the internet. So ARPANET is the Advanced Research Project Agency. So balikan ako, ang ARPANET is the Advanced Research Project Agency. Is a research and development agency of the United States Department of Defense responsible for the development of emerging technologies for use by military. That's all po, ma'am. Thank you. So, proceed na sa fourth generation.
Eden, Imhana.
Wait lang ha. Fourth generation in 1970 to 1999, which is the that's- wait lang ha. Um,
Hi.
okay. The period of the fourth generation was 1971, present using large scales integration or LSI and very large scale integration or VLSI circuit. And the number two, the period of the fourth generation.
Yan, binigyan ka na tayo natin ni ano ni Florentine din eh. After 3 months mo.
Ay, hindi. Ano yun? RFO yun. Ayan yung may million yung ano. Yung sinasabi.
Number two, the technology using is the large scales integration or LSI and the LSI and the very large scale integration or VLSI circuit.
Excuse me, Eden. Asan yung banda? Asan dito sa presentation
Fourth
nyo?
generation, ma'am.
SI. Fourth?
Fourth generation.
Okay. Fourth generation. Okay.
Wait lang, ma'am.
Ito.
And then in 1970, instruction of computers built with the chips and that use in LSI. And then number two, 1971, 1971, Dr. Tidhoff developed Intel Corporation in micro-programmable computer chip. Number, wait lang. Eh,
Nanay. Ganito na siya. Yan mo si nanay.
Number three, the main memory, which is the RAM or ROM, such as semiconductor devices. And number four is programming language, high-level language. And number five, speed and size, high speed and small in size compared to the third generation. Number six, 1 to 0 devices, optical scanning, etc. Example, IBM, PC, Apple, and Macintosh, or etc.
Yun lang, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is that all, Eden? Are you done?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, next. Group 2. Walang naka-assign for 5th generation?
Meron,
Na, ma'am,
ma'am.
na, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Fifth generation, from 1991 and beyond, the age of connectivity. This is the massive increase in connectivity allows computers to connect and share information. The use of parallel processing, symmetric multiprocessing, or multiprocessing, a technique for improving a computer's performance, has been used in high-end servers and workstation. Number 1 from 1991. Linus Torvalds developed a version of Unix called the Linux operating system. Operating system is an open source Unix-like operating system based on the Unix kernel. An operating system kernel first released on September 17, 1991 by Linus Torvalds. Linux is typically packaged as a Linux distribution. And number 2 from 1993. Mosaic is a graphical web browser developed by Mark Anderson at NCSA. It is a discounted web browser, one of the first to be widely available. It was instrumental in popularizing the World Wide Web and the general internet by integrating multimedia such as text and graphics. It was named for a support of multiple internet protocols such as Hypertext Transfer Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, and Network News Transfer Protocol, and Grouper. It is in its interface, reliable personal computer support, and simple installation all contributed to its popularity within the web. And muna siya ang Linux operating system and Mosaic graphical web browser. Linux operating system is used in server OS for web servers, database servers, file servers, email servers, and any other type of shared server. Designed to support high volume and multi-threading applications, Linux is well suited for all types of server application. Next is Mosaic. Sa karon pwede pa ba ta mo gamit o Mosaic graphical web browser? Technically, yes. Mosaic browser can still be downloaded and used. However, it may not supported much of today's internet as protocols and website features have become more advanced than Mosaic's last upgrade in 1977.
Isang oras lang yung trabaho.
Number 3, proceed.
Kulang pa 3 oras.
Dungog ko. Dungog ko, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me po.
naman.
Sige. So, number 3, in 1995, Microsoft launched Windows 95, a major upgrade to its Windows operating system. In the marketplace, Windows 95 was complete success, and within a year or two of its release had become the most successful operating system ever produced. So, the it means naglunsad ang Microsoft ng Windows 95, then in-upgrade nila ang kanilang Windows operating system. At in the end of the day, naging isang matagumpay sila, or naging pinaka-successful sila na operating system. And that's all. And proceed tayo sa number 2. Sun Microsystem launched Java and an object-oriented programming language that allows programmers to develop applications that work across the internet. Then number 4, in 1998, Apple Apple Incorporated introduced the iMac, and all-in-one system, futuristic design, see-through case, and easy to set up computer. Apple also Apple use of the translucent candy colored plastics inspire similar design in other consumer electronics. Apple declared the I in iMac to stand for Internet, and Apple later adopted the I for prefix across its consumer hardware and software lines, such as the iPad, iBook, iPhone, iPhoto, iMovie, iDVD, iTunes, iLife, iWeb, iWork, iSight, and iSync. And that's it po, ma'am.
All done na ba?
Opo, ma'am. Proceed na po sa number 5.
5 and 6, proceed.
Eden ata na.
Eden, Montana, proceed. Miss Eden, proceed. Number 5 and 6.
Wala na ata si Eden, ma'am.
Okay, sige, sige.
So, ano na lang ko na dahil.
Ma'am, proceed na lang tayo sa 7 and 8, ma'am.
Sige, sige. Group 2 ako na lang yung sa mga susunod na lesson. Okay, so for number 5, 2001, technology played an important role after the September 11 terrorist attack, yung 9/11. So that was 2001. It said that on the history, it played a crucial part. And then this is the example for 4 and 5. This is the bomb detection in 2001 on 9/11, and this is the first iMac. And then for number 6, 2002, Earth Simulator registers as the world's fastest supercomputer. And then, so that would be for 2002, the Earth Simulator. And then for number 7, 2003, we have the tablet PC, a mobile personal computer with wireless capabilities was introduced. And number 2, Wi-Fi to the internet called hotspots, where we are all using that, right? So I think this is generation 5. What is that? The age of connectivity, 1991 and beyond. So this is an example of tablet PC. And then this is the Wi-Fi. By the way, the meaning of Wi-Fi, there is term for this, wireless fidelity. And then number 8, 2005, smartphones provide a cellular phone and web browser. So dati meron pa tayong mga keypad, and they are all have like a web browser, but it is really hard to connect. But now we are using smartphones, and yeah, we are all connected. So group 2, can I have your quiz?
Ma'am, nag-try ang mi ganiha og ano ba, buhat og quiz form tapos dili man mi kabalo ma'am.
How about the document? Can you send it to me?
Oh, pwede ma-upload naman ng PowerPoint ma'am si Balabag na bahala na.
Okay, can you send it to me sa email?
Sige po ma'am. Thank you.
And also the kanang answer key, ha?
Oh, sige ma'am.
Okay. So for this quiz guys, sa lesson 2 na quiz, after this I will add a short quiz below the lesson 2, no? Oh, wait lang. Below the lesson 2, I will add a short quiz, and then that is the quiz coming from group 2. And then please submit it before 11:59 p.m. this day kasi kung hindi, negative, ano na kayo, 50% na lang yung i-grade ko sa inyo. And then for newcomers, I think that is Joris, Joniel, sino pa ba? Si John Rick, si Rosel. Okay, kayong apat, ano kayo, yung dalawa, si John Rick and si Rosel, sa group 4 kayo. Sama kayo sa group 4 for your presentation, ha?
Pwede si, ano lang ma'am? John Rick and Juris.
Joris, okay, sige. Joris and John Rick for group 4 kayo. Kontakin nyo lang yung group 4 para makapag-participate kayo sa report. And then Rosel and Joniel, group 5 kayo. Okay? So, kontakin nyo lang din yung group 5 na leader or sino man. Yes, Ella. Wala ka pang group? Ella?
Ma'am.
Okay, group, ano ka na lang? Group 4. How about Honey? Wala ka pa?
Wala po, ma'am.
Sige, group 5.
Okay po.
Thank you. And then, don't forget your quiz that will say, that would be our attendance. And then, for mga newcomers, don't forget na mag-register sa academy natin. Okay guys, pwede na tayong mag-exit, except dun sa newcomers kasi ide-demo ko sa kanila yung pag-register sa tawag dun, sa academy. Okay guys, start na tayo ha.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay po,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Kaya po ma'am, allot na lang namin yung quiz namin ma'am via documents.
Sige, please. Thank you.
Ay, ma'am, excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, asa na may post ang quiz, ma'am, sa Google Classroom, Japan siya, ma'am.
Google Classroom, and I will also add it to Academy. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sige. Exit na yung iba, yung mga meron ng Academy. Para
Ma'am,
matira
excuse
na
me,
lang
ma'am.
yung... Yes, Sean.
Natugon sa Discord po, ma'am.
Oo.
Natugong link. Anang pag pinduto na ko, murag nothing happened. Para asa to?
Yung link saan? Anong link? Anong klaseng
Ang link sa block 2, tapos meron pang link.
Sa banda? Dito, block 2? Dito? Dito sa pin messages? Tama ba?
Opo.
Maybe can you share your screen para alam ko kung saan banda?
Ma'am, na attendance, ma'am.
Na yung group 5 na dagdagan sa amin.